Refurbishment of buildings and infrastructure is very important in today's construction business. Sika is a global player in the refurbishment market. Different technologies can be used in refurbishment, from ready-to-use cementitious mortars to strengthening solutions. As corporate technology head, I have final technical responsibility for the product development in my product area. It is my responsibility to trigger innovation and to develop and execute the technology strategy. This strategy balances market needs with corporate needs. Market needs vary from country to country, and to adapt to these needs, we have to build facilities close to the consumer market and use local raw materials. Great efforts go also into fulfilling restrictive green regulations with new products. And at the same time, we have to keep costs under control and make sure that the new developments are profitable. In general, there are three main market trends in refurbishment. First is speed to market. That means simplified planning, reduced demolition, and the ability to reuse or recycle materials of the existing buildings or infrastructure, resulting in shorter construction times. Second is optimization of costs. The avoidance of total demolition and the reconstruction of major existing elements should result in capital cost savings of at least 20% even on major projects. And last but not least is sustainability. The reuse of construction fabric and improvements to the building's performance in use mean that the overall environmental impact of refurbishment is likely to be lower than that of a newly built building or infrastructure. To fulfill these market trends, R&D has to find the right balance between economic and ecological aspects with its new innovative products. I give you an example of a product innovation we are working on right now. Sika Grout is a high-performance cementitious mortar. It was continuously improved over the years and is widely used in construction and refurbishment. Right now, we develop ways to partly replace the cement with industrial byproducts like fly ash. This new Sika Grout will be a green grout with a low carbon footprint and cost optimization in terms of energy and CO2 taxes. It will be an industry benchmark. Our R&D activities have to cope with very different situations in the local markets, thereby adapting properly to reach highest quality standards and outstanding Sika service to customers worldwide.